Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add page numbers in your Word document. First of all, open your Word document. So you can see I have already opened my Word document and you can see here page number. I'll show you how to add them. First of all, go to the Insert tab. So you can see here is the Insert tab. After going on Insert tab, you will see the option called page number. As you can see here, the option is there called page number. Simply click it. After clicking it, you can choose the page number, whether you can apply in on footer or header, suppose, or you can apply on middle of a page, or you can also remove page numbers. You can also include page count like this, and by doing this, simply click on apply. After applying it, as you can see, the page number will come here, and that's it. Word will automatically add numbers to all pages, and that's how you add page number in your Word document. If you like this video, hit subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one.